Hi, I'm Sarah with PBM, and today I'm going to show you how to prep for an early childhood lesson on feelings using the VariQuest Suite. I based my lesson on the book Today I Feel Silly, but you can use any book that you want on feelings or emotions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to print my graph. I was able to find a template from the thousands of curriculum-based templates in the VariQuest software, and I was able to edit it to be just what I needed for my lesson. So while that's printing, I'm going to move over to the cutout maker to make my little emojis to represent their feelings on my graph. So I'm going to click on my cutout maker here, and you can see that there are several emojis to choose from. I'm going to go with the smiley faces now. This is just one of the thousands of curriculum-based shapes that we have here. And I love this feature, as many possible on page, and it's going to automatically fill it up. And I'm going to come over to my cutout maker and we'll get this going. Once this starts cutting, I am going to move over to my Motiva, which is the custom awards and sticker maker, and I'm going to make a mini anchor chart that the kids will be using during centers for some cooperative activities. So I'm going to choose the feelings chart that I like. We will come over here. I want to print 2 of them, and we'll get that going. So I now have my poster going. I've got my Motiva sticker mini anchor chart printing, and I've got my cutout maker going. Another thing that I wanted to make sure I showed you is our cold laminator. It is amazing because while the hot laminator seals the edges of the documents, the cold laminator is going to seal your entire document, so you can cut right through the paper. You can even cold laminate construction paper before you run it through the cutout maker, so that when you have these hands-on manipulatives, they are going to be much more durable in the hands of those little kids, and they're not going to be able to peel them. It's also a great option for when you are using dry erase markers. So I cold laminated these guys, and then the kids will be able to actually put their little emoji on the graph to represent how they're feeling that day. So my cutout maker is just about finished. My poster is finished. My mini anchor charts are coming out here. So my cutout maker finished, and all I have to do is lift up my paper, and I have all of my emojis ready to go. So I've got my graph markers, I've got my mini anchor charts, and I have my poster. I'm just going to come over here, grab it out of the catch basket. So everything that I need for my early childhood lesson on feelings in under 5 minutes.